Children, I had a wonderful idea. Why don't we practice a little bit for today's test before you have it? Remember, you just need to know very simple questions about the Bradley book. And do you remember that last Thursday I sent you the questions? I have them here. And what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to answer each of the questions very briefly so that you know what to answer in case you don't remember some part of the story. So, question number 1 is, why did Bradley's mom go to Bradley's school? Now, Bradley's mom went to Bradley's school because Mrs. Sebel, the teacher, had called her for her to go to the parents' meeting. And when she went to the parents' meeting, Bradley's mom was sure that Mrs. Sebel was going to tell her maybe not very nice things about Bradley, because Bradley's mom knew that Bradley was not a very good student. So she went to Bradley's school to talk to Mrs. Ebel about Bradley. Question number 2. Who does Mrs. Ebel think can help Bradley? Mrs. Ebel thinks that the new counselor, Carla, can help Bradley. She's new. Maybe she isn't like all the other counselors that worked in the school. Maybe she was different. Maybe this time someone was going to be able to help Bradley. Question number 3. Who did Jeff see in the girls' bathroom? Remember when Jeff accidentally went into the girls' bathroom? Well, he saw Colleen there. Then, what does Carla think about friendship? Carla thinks that friendship is something you cannot buy. She thinks that it is something about sharing your feelings with someone. That person who is your friend can help you solve your problems and can also share nice moments with you. You can invite that friend to your house. You can phone that person. You can share books, activities, sports with that person who is your friend. And that is what Carla thinks. Now, question number 5 is, will Carla repeat anything anyone tells her? No, absolutely not. Carla will never repeat anything someone tells her because that is a secret. Counselors never repeat what you tell them, not even to your parents. All right, so question number 6 is, who is skinny and has long black hair? Laurie. Yes, do you remember? Laurie is very, very thin and has long black hair. And Bradley calls her Laurie Loudmouth. Yes, but she's probably a nice girl. We shall see. Question number 7. Who had short brown hair and was very tall? That was Melinda. Remember, she was very tall, much taller than Laurie, obviously, and she had short brown hair, like me, maybe. All right, so question number 8. Why was Bradley surprised when he met Carla? Remember when he entered Carla's office? He thought that he was going to see a very ugly person there, and he was surprised because Carla was very young and pretty. That was why he was surprised. Question number 9. What color is Carla's hair, and what color are her eyes? Well, her eyes are blue, we know, or maybe light blue, and her hair, it's blonde, remember? She has blonde hair. Well, that was question number 9. Now, question number 10 is, what sport did Bradley tell Carla he knew? Bradley told Carla that he, excuse me, that he that he did karate, remember? It was probably not true. Then number 11. What did Bradley do near the end of the first session with Carla? Carla gave him some crayons, many colors, but Bradley chose only the black one. And he started making not a nice drawing, just scribbling, yes, with that black crayon. But did Carla say, "Oh, why don't you try to make a nice drawing or something?" She didn't say that. She let Bradley express himself. Now, number 12. What color did Bradley use to draw in Carla's office? We know it was black. Yes, it was black crayon. That, for some psychologists, that means something. It means if you don't want to use colors, it is like in your life you're missing something, like everything is dark in your life. Poor Bradley, he was missing colors. You know how much I like colors. We all like colors because we are happy people. We are happy people. Why are we happy? Because we have a family, because we have a home, and that is so important. You should be grateful for that, children. And then, question number 13. What did Bradley tell Carla he had broken in his house? Do you remember? He told her that he had broken all the chairs and tables in his house. That was probably not true either. So, we know Bradley is a liar, but Carla will probably help him because I'm sure that Carla must be a very good counselor. All right, and that is all the revision. You just need to know those very simple things that I will ask you today in your test, the one that we are having in the Zoom meeting, right? So, see you in a while, kids.